Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to this Arabic writing tutorial. So this is the second tutorial. So in the first one, what we did, we learned how to write the Arabic letters and how to draw their shapes. You should know that before you can continue on this tutorial. So if you don't know that, go and practice again. You can still go ahead with this one, but you might find it a bit difficult. So the first step is to know how to write the basic shapes of the letters. Then you can move on to this one. Let's go ahead with it. So as you can see in English, we have a choice. We can either join the letters like this. We can write in joined up writing, or we can write it separate like this. Can you see the letters here are separate? Here they are joined. In English we have a choice. In Arabic we do not have a choice. Okay, we have to join the letters. So if I want to write Muhammad, I cannot write it like this. This is wrong. This is wrong and inefficient in every sense. Like, it is going to take a lot of space, plus it's going to take a lot of time. So we have to join it. We have to join the Arabic letters when we write them. Okay, so this is the joined up form of these four letters, Muhammad. So it is like important, it's imperative to learn all the shapes. And the other thing is that when they join, there is a slight change to the shape. So these are the letters that we're going to join, inshallah. We're starting with two letters. We'll be joining two letters in the beginning, then we move on to join more letters. But at a very basic level, in joining up, we can just join two letters. For joining up, we're going to use a joining up sheet, okay, where all the shapes are given. So let's see the sheet. So this is the joining up sheet. If you look at Alif, that's how it looks like in the by itself, and then when it comes in the beginning, it looks like this, in the middle it looks like this, and looks like this. Alif and few other letters, Alif, Waw, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, their rules are a bit different. Yeah, so for at the moment we're not going to worry about them. We'll deal with them later, inshallah. Let's start with Ba. So Ba by itself looks like this. When it comes in the beginning of the word, it looks like this. When it comes in the middle, it looks like this. When it comes at the end, it looks like this. We just need to learn these shapes and copy them and join them. And how we're going to do that, that's what I'm going to tell you, inshallah. So let's move on. Our first word is this one, Qaf and Lam. We want to join these two letters. We want to join these two letters, and how we're going to do it, let me write them here. So this is Qaf, yeah, and this is Lam. Remember I told you that Arabic flows from right to the left. So this is right and this is the left. So Arabic goes from right to the left. So this is the first alphabet of the word, and this is the second alphabet of the word. So when we are using the table, we will look for Qaf in the beginning column. We will look for Qaf in this column here. If we scroll down, this sheet is, by the way, given in on the joining up page on the website. You can download it from there. So this is the beginning column. We have to see Qaf. See, this is the Qaf by itself, and this is how it looks like in the beginning of the word. So what we'll do, we'll copy that shape here, and then I will tell you how to join them. Qaf looks like this. Just look at the shape and try to picture it in your mind, and I'm going to copy it there. So this is how Qaf looked like in the beginning, with two dots. Yeah, now there are only two letters, So this is the beginning, this is the end. If there was any other letter, then lam will be in the middle and the other letter will be at the end. So here lam is at the end, so we look for the lam in the end column. Okay, let's go. This is lam at the end, so let's copy this one as well. It looks something like this, and so what they've done, really, they've just added an anchor, like where you can hook to it, you know. This is where it's going to join. So this is the joining point of lam, and this is joining point of qaf. So what we need to do, we will need to bring these two together. Let me write it here again. So this is, let me draw a line. So this is qaf, sorry, qaf, okay, and this is lam. And as I told you, this is the joining point. If I just join them together like this is not how it should look. It doesn't look right. So what we need to do, we need to bring these two joining points on the same height. So let's say this is the line, this is the line that we want to write the letters on. So what we do, we bring the qaf. We have two choices. We can either bring the lam down, bring it a bit down here this way, so it is in line with this one, or what we can do, we can take the qaf up. So let's write the qaf. This is qaf. What we do, we bring the lam down, so all the joining points, they have to be in one line. Now it's easy to join. Now if we join, it won't look bad. Okay, so that's how it should look. Let me do once more, and that's it. This and this is how the end word will look like. Let's move on to the next one. Let's do this word now. So the first letter is Meem, and the second letter is Noon. So Meem and Noon, these are the two letters that we want to join. So we go to our sheet again, and we see how Meem looks like, because Meem is the first letter of the word. As you know, Arabic flows from right to left. Meem is the first letter of the word, and Noon is the second one. Let's see. So if you look at this column, you can find the letter. This is Meem, and in the beginning, this is how Meem looks like. Just picture the shape, this shape, and this shape. Picture this, and we're going to copy it there, because Meem is in the beginning. Let's do it. Okay, so this is how Meem looked like. Now we look for Noon, for the Noon in the end column. Let's see. So this is the end column, and this is the Noon. This is the Noon, okay, and at the end. Let's copy this. Picture this, and we're gonna copy this. These are the joining points. Okay, so this is the joining point of Noon, and this is the joining point of Meem. Again, you can see they are not in one line. Noon is on this, at this height. This joining point is at this height. Don't worry about the letter itself. Okay, just worry about the joining point. So you see the Noon's joining point is here, and Meem's joining point is here. They're at a different height. Let's bring them to the same height. Let's see. Let's draw our line again. So we can either bring the Noon down or the Meem up to put them in one line. We have two choices. We can choose whichever. So let's draw a line. This is our line. Okay, and now let's join, let's bring them to the same line. Okay, so this is Meem, and then this is Noon, and you just fill up this gap. That's our Meem and Noon joined together. Let me write it one last time. So this is Meem, and then this is Noon. Okay, don't worry about this, it's okay, good enough. Let me write again. Meem and Noon. Let's go to, so we're done with Meem and Noon. Let's go to Sheen and Ra, the next word. Sheen and Ra, we're joining them. So let me write them here first. Not with this color. So Sheen, that's how Sheen looks like, and then Ra. Let's go, sorry, one more dot here. That's Sheen. So Arabic is from right to left. I'm saying it over and over again, because if you don't keep this in mind, you might look for Ra in the beginning column and Sheen in the end column, then you might get it wrong. So from right to left. Okay, so Sheen is the first alphabet or letter of this word, and Ra is the second. Ra is at the end. So let's see Sheen in the beginning column. Okay, so we move up, 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 up. Yeah, Sheen. That's what Sheen is, and this is how Sheen looks like in the beginning. Let's go on to copy this. Okay, now we look for the Ra at the end column. So we done Sheen, Sin, Za, Ra. This is how Ra looks like by itself, and this is how it looks like at the end. Ra is like this, something like this. Ra looks something like this. Now here we know this is the joining point of Ra, this is the joining point of Sheen. We just need to bring them in one line. Let's do it. So Sheen and Ra, just join them here. That's our Sheen and Ra. Let me write it once more here. Or all of them are acceptable. Let me write once more. And all of them are acceptable. We're going to join Ta, Ba, sorry, Ta and Ba. Let me copy them here. Ta and Ba. So Ta is the first one. Ta is at the beginning of the word. Let's look for Ta in the beginning column. This is Ta. This is how Ta looks like in the beginning. Let's copy the shape. Can you see a difference? Like, can you see this one is more rounded, and this, when we write it by itself, the end is more pointy. Okay, because this is the joining point of Ta. So Ta looks something like this in the beginning. Okay, let's look for Ba at the end, because Ba is the second and the final letter of this word. So this is Ba and the end. This is the end column. This is the Ba. This is how Ba looks like at the end. Let's copy it. This and this. Ta and Ba, the joining points are naturally in one line when we copy the shapes. Okay, so we just need to join these two. Just imagine these two are magnets and they're going to join now. Let's do them here. So this is Ta, and then this is Ba. Okay, let me do once more. ta and ba. Okay, so this is ta and then this is ba. Just join this here. Okay, so this is ta and this is ba. Just join the gap. So this is ta and ba. Done. Very easy. So we are done with ta and ba. Now it's time to join noon and ya. Okay, let's see noon. So it's noon. Okay, and yeah. Noon is the first word of the first letter of the word, and ya is the second. Noon is in the beginning, ya is at the end. Okay, let's copy noon in the beginning. This is noon, and this is how it looks like in the beginning. This is how noon looks like in the beginning. Okay, now see how it looks like at the end. How ya looks like at the end. This is how ya looks like. Let's copy it. So ya looks something like this. Now you can again see the joining points are not in one line. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to bring either the ya down, bring the ya down, or take this up, so they are in one line. Okay, let's do that. So this is, and we bring the ya down, so the joining point is in line with this one. Okay, so this, see the joining points, they are in one line now. Okay, they are in one line. Just need to join these two. Okay, let's do it. So we join these two, so we have noon and ya joined up. Let's write them here. So this is how noon looks like, and then this is how ya looks like. Okay, just join it, noon and ya. Okay, noon and ya. So this is noon and this is ya. All of them are acceptable. Okay, so this is noon and this is ya. This is also acceptable. Some will do like this, noon, ya. Okay, easy. Let's do the last one. So we're done with noon and ya. Here we're doing kaf and jeem, and that will be it for our two-lettered joining up. So we are doing kaf and jeem. Kaf is the first letter of the word and jeem is the second. So let's copy them. So we have kaf and jeem. Kaf is in the beginning of the word and jeem is at the end. So let's look for kaf in the beginning column. This is kaf, so this is how it looks like in the beginning. So we copy this, this and this. This is how roughly it looks like, and we know this is the joining point. Now let's look for jeem at the end. So this is the jeem, this is the jeem. Let's copy it at the end. So this is how jeem looks like at the end, like this, something like this. Now again, this is the joining point of jeem. These 2 points need to be in one line. Let's bring either the jeem down or kaf up. So this is kaf, and then let's bring the joining point of jeem here. This is the jeem. Just join these two and we have kaf and jeem joined up. Let's do it here. This is kaf and this is jeem. So that's done. We are done with Kaf and Jeem. So this is all about joining two-lettered word. If you have any questions, you can message me on the website, or you can just write it in the comment bar. I would like you to please download this sheet and print it out and keep it with you. As I said, there are few letters that we're not gonna be doing now. One of them is Alif. If you look at Alif, the middle and the end, they look the same. Okay, if you look at the Ba, the middle and the end, the middle and the end, they look different. Okay, for Alif they are same. If you look for Dal, the middle and end will be the same. See, for Dal, the middle and the end are the same. For Dal, the middle and the end are same. Ra and Za. So these four letters, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, they are different. Plus Alif and Waw. Okay, they're a little bit different, which I will tell you in the next tutorial, inshallah. Make sure you download the practice sheet for the two-letter joining up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.